going to be showing you how to make a mini medieval mace out of an old lighter striker paper clip. You need some super glue to fix it and pliers to shape this little 10 peg part cut off the paper clip. You only need two parts, the roller and the spring. This will fit on there nicely. Just sort of screw it on. There we go. Strange. You'll just need to glue that in place. With stretching the spring very slightly, closest to the bottom. This should be super gluing it, and my fingers. Just have to wait for that to dry. Okay. But you get the idea. I'm going to see how that looks once it's plated in copper. Probably look a lot nicer. I'll post a picture in the thumbnail. Mini medieval mace.